There are some people who say they feel like corruption has gotten worse under this administration. Ikaw, Mayor, you've been looking at corruption in government projects for a long time. What do you think?
It's something beyond one's imagination. Yun ang description sa akin ng someone in government. Someone who is very quite familiar with the dynamics of corruption. Sila mismo nagsasabing kakaiba. Even I've been invited sa iba-ibang mga events as a resource person by several reputable na mga organizations, business organizations. And they themselves mention na kakaiba ang level ng corruption na yun. Even people inside Congress na kakilala ko, they are telling me na kakaiba, sir, ang level ng corruption niya.